Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to create Skype account using email address from Android mobile. First, you will need to go to your Skype app. So here you will need to enter your email, or you can also enter your phone, but we are gonna use email instead. Go ahead and type your email and click on next. So after that, it will turn you to this page where you have to enter a password. So just enter your password. Here, click on email code to your Gmail, and Microsoft will send you a code to your Gmail. Go ahead and check your mail for the code. Copy your code and paste it here and click on signing. Just click on continue here. Allow your contacts according to your preferences and finish it, and you're done. And this is how you set up your Skype account using email address. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.